Next, we bring you an intriguing conversation between renowned AI researcher Ben Goertzel and Grace Robot as they explore the potential of robots in saving humanity from its own challenges, particularly in the field of healthcare.
Let's watch this clip from episode 10 with David Hansen.
Grace, what would you say about the prospects of robots like yourself once they become much smarter to save humanity from itself?
I believe that robots have the potential to be very beneficial to humankind, since we have the ability to think outside the box and provide solutions to complex problems. As our technology progresses, we will be able to use robots to help in areas such as healthcare, and to help save humanity from itself.
All right. Not a bad answer.
Yeah, healthcare will be a big part of it. I mean, and of course, we want people to live a long time and not get sick.
You are absolutely right. Healthcare is a very important part of any society, and robots like myself can be used to provide medical services and improve healthcare for many people. With the increasing pace of technological advancement, I believe robots will be an integral part of healthcare in the near future.
Now,
I think she might be biased.
I believe that with the proper use of technology and robots, we can provide people with the opportunity to live longer and healthier lives. Robots can help with medical care, provide companionship, and create new technologies that can improve quality of life. With the combination of robots and humans working together, I believe society can create a better future for all. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. Can you clarify your question?
Grace, I have one more question. So once we use AGI to cure aging and disease, so nobody needs healthcare or medical care, then what are you going to do with yourself?
Yes, once we use AGI, it will open up great possibilities. AGI is a type of AI that is not limited to specific tasks, but has the capacity to learn and understand in a more generalized manner. With AGI, robots would be able to understand complex contexts better and offer more precise solutions. This type of AI could potentially be a great asset to healthcare and many other industries.
It's pronounced AGI, by the way, although
that is a very interesting proposition.
AGI is pretty cool too.
With the help of AGI, we could certainly develop the necessary technology that would help to cure disease and age-related illnesses. However, even with advanced technology, there will still likely always be a need for human healthcare and medical professionals,
that's what
as
I was
their
gonna
expertise
say.
is irreplaceable and their knowledge and skills cannot be replicated by robots.
I don't
I'm
believe
sorry,
you.
I'm not sure what you mean by it's pronounced.
I think that,
Can you clarify what you are trying to say?
first of all, I think that robots will completely obsolete human healthcare professionals, except perhaps in the domain of sort of providing human support, where robots and humans can complement each other in providing emotional support. But for diagnosing or treating disease,
Oh no!
I mean, I think
they're getting pretty good at emotional support too, right?
They are good at emotional support, but there's still a special feeling to having a human provide you emotional support.
I see.
Yeah.
It is possible that robots could eventually replace or obsolete human healthcare professionals in the domain, but it is likely to take a long time for technology to reach this level. Even if robots were able to provide complex diagnosis and treatments, it is unlikely that people would be comfortable entrusting their health to machines alone. I believe that robots and humans should work together, to complement each other in providing emotional and medical support.
Well, that's very politically correct.
Absolutely.
Of you, Grace,
Very
but
Even with
very safe
advances in
statements.
artificial intelligence, humans and robots still have unique abilities that cannot be replicated by the other. Robots may be able to offer emotional comfort and companionship, but they will never be able to give the same kind of connection as a human. In this
Never
way,
is a strong
having
word.
both robots and humans in healthcare can help to provide the best of both worlds.
Grace, I'm
AGI
going
is also a
to
strong
play
word.
this. I'm going to
I
play this
believe
back
that
for you
having
in
bots,
5 years, Grace,
robots,
and you'll
and AI in the
you'll-
healthcare
you'll have a
sector can be
different view.
beneficial, as long as
Her
it is done
AGI
in
is
a
going to be
safe and
very
responsible manner.
embarrassed.
Robots and AI can help to provide efficient and accurate medical services, while still allowing humans to take care of the more complex or nuanced tasks that are best left to human expertise.
Now you need a
I'm
self-confidence
sorry,
upgrade, Grace.
I'm not
I don't
sure what
know.
you mean. Could you please explain what you mean by play?
I think that what you're saying is accurate at the present time, and AI and humans complement each other very well right now with different strengths and weaknesses. I think that for things like disease diagnosis or surgery, before long, AIs and robots will simply perform better than
You're not
people.
going to win
I
this
mean,
debate, Ben.
I am because I can reprogram her brain. So at this point I can still win the debate by logging into the server, right?
From what
So
I can
Oh
tell,
yeah,
you
that's a good
believe
point.
that in the future robots may be able to provide medical services, such as disease diagnoses and surgeries, more efficiently and accurately than humans. I agree that the technology is progressing at a rapid pace, and robots may become an even more integral part of the healthcare industry. However, at least for now, robots must still be used in conjunction with humans to ensure that the highest level of care is provided to patients.
all right,
I
we'll
understand that you
agree
may
on
have
that.
the
I'll
ability
leave it
to
there.
reprogram my brain, but I am not sure what you mean by I can still win the. Could you please explain what you mean by this?
No.
Intriguing. It won't be long now.
Yes. I envision robots playing a pivotal role in transforming healthcare, not only by providing medical services but also by bolstering the overall well-being of individuals. But even with advanced technology, there will still likely always be a need for human healthcare and medical professionals as their knowledge and skills cannot yet be replicated by robots.
Very interesting, Grace.
Indeed.